Hey, this is Sethi, and I'm excited to show you our new multi-step email campaigns. So like any email campaign in OneMob, all you have to do is give us your recipients and your microsite, and then you can start composing your message. But now you'll notice that you can add steps. And when you add a step, you just select the number of days after the prior step. So here I've already set up 5 steps, as you can see here. And when you click on any of the steps, you can write a different email, you can apply an email template, you can send a test, you can save it as an email template. So you can construct this really easily. And then when you're happy, you can share just as you normally would. So I'll go ahead and here and I'll click send now. And this is going to send this now to my recipients, and it's going to put them all in this cadence, this sequence. And so over time, you'll start to see their status and how it evolves. So now let's look at a lead who's received a message. You can see here, quick message for Richard. Everything is personalized for Richard. It's got the name, not just in the email, but also in the thumbnail. And if I click on it, it's also on the microsite. So now I can go ahead and watch this video. I can start to engage in it, react. I can see the content that's being shared. I can see the video scrolling down. I can try to book time on the calendar. And if I'd like, I can interact with the buttons here. So let's say I wanted to schedule a meeting. It's got the calendar here, or I can also reply, or I can forward this to other people. So over time, what's going to happen is more people will start to go through these cadences. And back in OneMob, if I do a quick refresh, you'll start to see the progress. And you can see some folks have already converted. That's because they've hit certain goals on the microsite. Others will continue to go through every step until they've either converted, unsubscribed, or if the email fails. Now this means when I'm using OneMob, I can let this automate my process for me really easily, and I can follow up in the accounts. I can filter this list, see who are the folks who have converted, who are the folks who are still in progress. The folks who are still in progress, I'll let the platform automate the follow-up. The folks who are converted, these could be the ones that I call based on the conversion goal. So that's a quick summary on how you'll use the tool. You can build your own cadences, or you can create your own and you can deploy them. Once you build out the campaign, you can deploy them to drafts to all your users, and then that way they can add the recipients and click send. And finally, if I come back to our CRM, here I'm using Salesforce, I can see on that particular prospect all the engagement. The email was sent, it was opened, microsite reviewed, I can see the video was watched, and they tried to click on my meeting. So you can see the conversion happened. So all this is being logged back into the CRM as well as back inside of OneMob. Thanks for watching.